We are knocking the pins down here at the county championships at Greenway Bowl Odenton. Along with cameraman and director Eric Cloyd, I'm Wiley Baker, flying high with the Severna Park Falcons Unified Bowling Team as they strike a pose. Let's jump in with the Falcons Unified Bowlers and head coach Nadine Hendler. Wing to wing and claw to claw, this Severna Park Falcons Unified Bowling Team has a flock that will put you in awe.
We work hard and make new friends in the team, and we're good at it.
Yeah, I'm really lucky to be partners with Abby. We have a lot of fun in practice and at games. I'm pretty lucky.
We do Unified PE together. It's just really fun. I like playing with him. He's a good kid. Oh, just his drive to be better every day. That's what I think, yeah.
I really like, especially with bowling, I feel like it's a great environment to meet new people. So I met Gracie through bowling, and I also met a bunch of new friends, and I just learned so much more.
We became best friends. We started in Unified PE, and then now we're all doing bowling.
What makes it so much fun with these two?
Making all your friends.
Make friends.
Like Julia said, we started in Unified PE. We always kind of went for groups together, and it was a lot of fun.
It gives a chance for kids that would never meet each other in school academically to make friendships on, off the court, the tennis court, bowling, bocce, and it's just great to see them together here, but interacting in school on the weekends together.
What I love about this team is all of us are able to come together, no matter your background or anything. We all come together, help each other out, make sure everyone's having a good time, and I love that. That's what I love about being a part of this team.
If birds of a feather come together on lanes, fields, or courts, then lifelong connections are certainly the direction that leads to unified sports.
It's not just a unified sports inside the schools. There's unified PE, unified dance, unified art. It's in the middle schools now, so it gives everybody an opportunity to participate.
Some of the memories you make at bowling are lifelong memories, and it's just nice to experience things with people you wouldn't ordinarily talk to, and I just really enjoy the friendships. I love the unified sports, especially bowling's my favorite because all the friendships I get to make.
I've definitely made a lot of lifelong friendships. I really enjoy not just hanging out at bowling, but outside of bowling and outside of school. We still hang out over the summer, on weekends, go to dinner, get our nails done, go to the mall. So they've really become a lot of my best friends.
I enjoy coming after school, hanging out with my friends, and learning other people. Not just learning with my friends, but making new friends and teaching them bowling, and just making sure everyone's having a good time. They're really good at it, and everyone should go to school for next year, new people.
We all include each other. We play well together, and I think we're doing really good.
Hang out with friends.
Ooh, yeah. We love talking.
Definitely the atmosphere. Everyone was screaming and for everyone and just encouraging everyone. It was really fun. A good experience for everyone.
This nest knows best when it's time to take a test.
Just studying every day, getting good grades, and then just giving them pointers on stuff too.
He encouraged me and taught me some skills.
We just kind of focus on all building each other up. So if I know Abby's struggling, I'll help her, and if she knows I'm struggling in a subject, she'll help me. And it just kind of goes through the whole team.
Sometimes at bowling practice, we'll do homework and help each other to help everyone keep their grades up. But I think everyone's doing pretty good this season.
Well, I think it gives them the opportunity to help each other out. Even here, you'll see the kids helping each other with math homework. I teach a unified PE class, and it's not just the kids that are qualifying as athletes that are getting the help. Those kids excel at certain things that the partners don't excel at. So it gives everybody the opportunity to help each other out.
You've got to tightly grip the bowling ball to roll it down the lane. But the best part about this team of blue and gold is they understand that who's around them is what they truly hold.
I can't say enough good things about our bowling team. We have an amazing coaching staff, an amazing team. It's really such a special experience.
I just like doing something I enjoy and being around people, and it's really fun just having a good time with my friends.
My sophomore year, Miss Hendler was actually my help teacher. and she heard about me bowling, so she kind of like told me to join the team, and I gave it a shot, and I just completely love it. And I couldn't thank her enough for giving me an opportunity to be on such a great team.
Me and new friends for different schools.
A strike or a spare, or even a split, just the same. These Falcon bowlers understand that success is more than just about the game.
I cheer for them and I told them good luck.
I think these last moments, just winning usually the regular season, we had the highest average for 3 years straight.
I had a lot of fun. It was very fun.
I just like watching them have fun, hanging with them, making friendships from other schools.
Thanks for bowling in. In honor and memory of my mom, Dee Baker, I'm Wiley Baker. I'll talk to you on the court, on the field, on the air, or maybe even on the bowling lanes with another edition of Athletes in Action on the Anne Arundel County Public Schools YouTube channel.